Good morning, everyone. I'm at the beach. It's just about to the sun is just about to rise, and I'm at the beach, and it's a very chilly morning, and not many people on the beach right now, other than these beautiful gulls. As you can see, the beach is it's very chilled, and just a few people around. Unlike the evening, that's the Somnath temple at the back. So I'm going to dip my feet and enjoy with these gulls a little bit, okay? The sun rising here on Somnath beach. Beautiful, beautiful kind of an atmosphere. Very few people, and it just looks so breathtaking. This is the entry to the walkway which runs parallel to the sea and the beach. Okay, so just costs 5 rupees only, and I have just entered it. Okay, so we'll see how it goes, and I'll bring you the coverage. I'm now at the Somnath beach, and as you can see, the sun is just about to set, and a lot of people here enjoying themselves, and the beautifully decorated I must say, these camels, and you also have a horse here and lot of seagulls. They're all moving. Yes, can you see that? People feed them, and they come here, they flock here, and we can see people taking rides on this camel here, and the camels are beautifully decked. And now I'll go and dip my feet in the water, something that I've been waiting for the whole day today, and I wanted to come here and catch this sunset for all of you. And you can see the beach. Yeah, I'll catch you in a few more moments. I'm walking to the other side, just wanting to get you pictures from all angles. And I'm in the sea, enjoying my walk and enjoying seeing people having a great time. And it means so much to be out like this after the pandemic. It's so welcome. The sun almost setting now. Big strong waves. Some last view before I end this video for today, giving you a feel of the beautiful sea here, and the people enjoying on the beach with the seagulls, the camels. So I'll see you for today. That is it. Okay, I'm on the walkway now, and that's the sea where I was at the beach. And I'm walking. This is almost 8 kilometers on both sides, and you can see the Somnath temple all lighted up right now. And you have an aarti at 7 o'clock in the evening, but no mobile phones are allowed, so I cannot show you. But I'll be walking along this path and try and show you the magnificence of the Somnath temple and enjoying the sea breeze, the sunset, and the walkway.
अपने मन से
Yes.
तुम अपने
You can hear the shankh blowing in the background, and I'll be going for the aarti in the Somnath temple at 7 o'clock. So till then I will try and bring you these some beautiful videos so you can enjoy with me. The prayer starting. Now you can really enjoy the beautiful Somnath temple all lit up at night. It's a sight to behold. That's the sea, you can see, and in this it's almost like the sea is bowing down to this mighty Shiva.